this episode, I'm going to do my first tier list with the GD portals. Now, I'll have other ones for orbs, triggers, blocks, maybe? Yeah, for orbs, triggers, maybe just like all the saw blades. But anyways, let's just start. Okay. The cube portal, it's classic. Cube can be pretty good. I don't really know what to say about it. What tier would I put the cube portal in? I do use it a lot, but it's also the cube, but I also feel like I don't use it a lot. So, for right now, it's gonna be a B. It's also, the way I organize them, S is the best, A is pretty good, B is above average, C is average, D is below average, E is okay. E is like, it kind of sucks, and F just total trash. Don't want to use it. Okay, ship. I like ship. You have more freedom than a lot of the other modes. Easy A rank. Easy A rank. But like just on its own, it's not the best. But combined with other things, ship is one of the best. But it's also hard. It's one of the harder ones in my opinion. Okay, next is ball. Ball. The ball. My problem with the ball is one screen feels way too shrunken down. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it should at least be as tall as the spider, but for me, it feels way too shrunken down. I think we're gonna put it in a C. It's average. It's okay. Yeah, C. UFO. UFO's Flappy Bird. It gets a B. The only reason it's not an A is because, one, it's like Flappy Bird. Two, the ship you have more control over. I feel like the UFO you really don't have that much control because you bounce and you go up this distance. So it gets A, B tier. Wave. Okay, wave I like. Okay, here's my problem with the wave. It is the most unique game mode in the game. One of the most unique. I would put it at S. But because it's so hard and the D blocks and stuff like that just don't work with it all the time, and it can be very frustrating and awkward, it goes down to an A. But because it can be frustrating and awkward, it goes all the way down to a B. Sadly. But I still like it. Robot. Robot's the cube, but better, I feel, but also not, because I just feel like, again, it's just robot with jets, and I've played this game since 2.0, if anyone's wondering, so, yeah, I bet you if I waited for it to come out, I'd put it higher, but I don't have that much to say. Normal blue portal, it resets your gravity, all it does, but it gets a B. It gets a B. You know what? It gets an A. I use these a lot. If you want anything better, really, you just use these portals. And the yellow gets a B. I kind of want to keep them together, even though technically the yellow is above the thing. You know what? I'm also gonna have it like the blue's the bottom of A. It's like we'll have these up. I think. So the closer it is to the letter, the better it's gonna be. That right there. That right there. Yeah, that looks good. So like the upside down's the top. It's top A. Like the cube is low B. So mirror, 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 mirror. No, I just want the mirror ones. There's not much to say other than they're below average at this point, but I have used them in good circumstances. But the whole thing's with 2.0, the moving objects, it doesn't work anymore. It's not cool, especially with 2.2. These things are trash. D tier. Because they can be used good. Like if you check out my level Ink 2, I used it good there. But other than that, it is just straight trash. The sizing portals. For one, I would have the Mini better. These are good. A lot of people use them. They can make everything feel different, especially the Wave. They get A. Now, how high up in the A? You know what? I think they get a. I think they get a high. I think they get a high B. Yeah, this looks good to me. Yeah, the one that shrinks you gets a high B. Close to an A, but not. Dual portals. These can be great, especially mixing two game modes up. Hey, you chicken nugget, I don't want you. Okay. But yeah, they can be really good together. I really like them. They get bottom A because they're really good. I think that's good for them. Teleportation. I don't use often, but I still think it's great. Unique idea. I wish you could almost make you teleport ahead. So they get, I would say, well, you can't, no, low B. Spider is better than the ball. You know what? The spider is one of my favorite game modes. I think that can go justifiably. I can't speak. Don't judge me. I think that's an A tier. An A. That is an A. Now, do I want to change this? So the best item in the game is the best portal in the game is this? No. That is not the best item. The ship is really good, I think. Yeah, we gotta change these a little. I do like this. I do think all the game modes are pretty good. Yeah, these are they just don't work. So yeah, nothing's E or F tier. Yeah, I like this. So pretty much worst item. Fixing the reverse thing. Actually no, because that makes it better. The worst item is the reverse. The ball is fine. It's meh. And the rest are great. Nothing's amazing, but stuff's pretty good. Stuff's above average. Stuff's meh. And then there's a few things that are just gross. Gross. Okay, well, that is my first tier list. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. X out.